Hello Ralston. This is the last achievement assembly of our first half term back since the coronavirus. You have been amazing. You've worked together as a team, you've worked together in partners to keep each other safe, and the work that you've produced has been amazing. Your home studying has been fantastic, and we are ready in case of the worst thing that happens, where we close down. But guys, you've been amazing. I'd just like to say thank you. Make sure you give a thanks to your parents. They've been really supportive of you over the past few months as well. It's been incredibly difficult, but you know what? You guys have been amazing, so thank you. Just to let you know as well that there will be another assembly still next week, posted on Friday, based upon what your teachers are still sending me for next week. So watch out for that on YouTube, because you will get another assembly, okay? Also, I'd like to say, I know that not just our current children watch this, I also know that some of our older children watch this. And one child told me that her brother has been watching, so I'd like to give a special hello to Macario. Aha! Okay, guys. Anyway, you all have a well-earned rest. I know my children are really tired at the moment, so I can imagine you guys are equally tired. And I am certain, in fact, I know that all of your teachers and teaching assistants are incredibly, incredibly tired. But they've all worked really hard. You've all worked really hard. And you know what? I think we all earn a really nice break. So thank you guys, have a lovely half term, stay safe, keep your hands clean, and remember to follow all of the guidance that you're given to keep yourselves and others safe. Thank you very much guys, have a lovely half term, bye bye.
Hi Mr. Durkin and hello Ralston. My Resilience Star this week goes to two people. I know I shouldn't, but I really couldn't decide between these two people. They have been amazing all week and have really pushed themselves to be the best person they can be. So my Resilience Star goes to Willow Pierce for persevering in her maths and showing great independence when it comes to her learning, and also to William, who's new to our class and he settled in so well. He's an exemplary student and he's been fantastic all week, so really well done to you two. My Home Learning Star goes to Mawaz because he's worked really hard. He's taken on all my feedback and created a 3D Kabar for his RE Home Learning, so well done to Mawaz.
Hi all, sorry, this is a mistake here. This is not Charlie and Miss Davies' class, this is Charlie and Miss Hollis's class. Well done, Charlie.
My Resilience Star this week goes to Brandon Lee. This term we've been working on fractions and Brandon has really smashed it. He's got a great understanding and he's really doing well, and he's grown in confidence every single day. Well done, Brandon.
My homework star this week goes to Lisa for always completing her homework way ahead of time. She takes time and care and thinks about what she needs to do. The work is always presented well. Well done, Lisa, keep up the great work.
Hi everyone, my shining star this week is for Daisy for a fantastic attitude towards her writing. She's put 100% effort in and really taken on advice, and the improvement in her writing is absolutely fantastic. Keep it up, Daisy, really proud of you, well done.
Hello everyone, well done all of those people that have just got those awards, fantastic. I know it's been a very strange half term so far, but you've done brilliantly. So have all the staff and everybody that works in the school. Have a fantastic half term, and we'll see you after half term. Stay safe and be careful. Cheers.